Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete apps from iCloud on iPhone. So first of all, what I gotta do, I'm gonna just go ahead into my browser, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down. If you want to delete apps from iCloud permanently, what I'm gonna do, delete the app, then head to settings, select Apple ID, and then select iCloud, and then select manage storage, then select the desired data and tap delete twice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to my screen, and let's say for example I want to delete this app, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead and hold the app, remove the app, and then double click to delete the app permanently. Secondly, go ahead to the settings, and then go ahead to my Apple ID, and then go ahead to my iCloud, and you're gonna see all the apps that are using iCloud, and then just go ahead and toggle one of them or all of them off, and then you're gonna be able to delete them from the cloud. All right, let's put on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.